Welcome back. Today we're going to do page number 20, workout 10. Let's start with question number 1. It says, circle the box with the fewest dots. Let's count the dots in each box. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots in the first box. We're going to write 10 here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 dots in the second box. So we're going to write 12 here. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dots in the last one. We can write 9 here. Now we need to see which one is the fewest, the lowest number. The 12 is the greatest number. Then it's 10 and then it's 9, which means 9 is our answer. It's the one with the fewest dots, and the 9 one was this last box. Now let's do question number 2. It says fill in the missing numbers in the boxes. We have the number 14, and it says 1 less than 14 will go in this box. We need to see what's 1 less than 14. We can count backwards 1, 14, and then backwards 13. It means 13 is 1 less than 14. Now we come to this 14 again, and it says 5 more than 14. We need to write here. We need to count onwards 5. 14 in our mind, and 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. We need to write 19 in this box. Now let's do question number 3. It says count backwards in steps of 10 from 50. Write the next 4 numbers you reach. We have number 50. We need to count backwards in steps of 10. 50, then 40. 40, 30, 20, and 10. These are the 4 numbers counting backwards. Now let's do question number 4. It says, circle 3 equal groups of turtles. We need to circle 3 equal groups. Let's count how much turtles there are. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 turtles. Here it says, use your groups to write a division number sentence. This tells us we need to do division. To do our 2 numbers we're going to divide is 12, and 3. We're going to divide these 2 numbers. To divide that, we need to write 12, do a line under it, and write 3. And we need to see what times table both of them comes in. Let's start with the 3's. 3 times 1 is 3, so we write 1 here, then the line there, and then 3 times 4 is 12, so we can write 4 here. Then, because there's a 1 here now we can do 4 and times the number down here. It's 4 times 1. It makes 4. You can't times it until the number here is 1, because you won't get the right answer. Now we need to write our sentence or the calculation we did. Our sentence was 12 divided by 3 equal, and we got the answer was 4. We can write 4 here. Now we're going to do page number 21. Question number 5. It says, fill in the missing number. 6 times 10 is equal to 10 times something. Let's write it out. 6 times 10 is equal to 10 times something. For the starters, 6 times 10 is the same as 10 times 6. You can turn them both around, but the answer will stay the same both ways. Here it says 10 times something, and we've seen 10 times 6 is the same as 6 times 10, and the equal sign means it has to be the same, which means we can write 6 here because there's a 6 here, and the answer we need to write here too. Now let's do question number 6. It says, look at the objects on the shelf. The objects are a cube, a pyramid, and a sphere. It says, circle the pyramid. This is the pyramid. The pyramid has a pointy top, and it has 3 faces and another face at the bottom, which makes 4 faces. Now let's move on to question number 7. It says, write times, divide, or equals in each box. The box is here. It says 4, something 5, something 20. We can try with the first one, which is the time. 4 times 5 equals 20. If this equation is right, that means we can write times in there. 4 times 5 is 20, which means we can write times here. And it equals to 20, so we need to write the equal sign here. Now let's do 6 something 30 something 5. Let's try times here. 6 times 30 makes a bigger number when you time, so it can't be 5 because 5 is a smaller number. When you do 6 divided 30, it'll make a very small number, like 0 point something. So we can't do divide either. And you can do equal to because maybe the calculation is written the opposite way. Let's write equals here. Let's try 30 times 5. 30 times 5, because we're timing, it makes a bigger number, and 6 is a smaller number. So it can't be times, and it's divide. We can try doing 30 divided by 5. We write 30 here, do a line, and then write 5. Let's start with a 5 times table. 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 times 6 is 30. And because there's a 1 here, we can times them, and 6 times 1 is equal to 6. And the answer is correct here, which means we can write divide here. Now let's take question number 8. It says, 3 friends finished a race. Here are the times. Amir finished it in 50 seconds. Jordan finished it in 40 seconds. And Rita finished it in 45 seconds. When you look at the first time, you might think the Amir is the winner because 50 is the most. But the one that has the most time is actually the loser, because when we're doing a race, we need to do the quickest time. We need to see what the earliest time is. Yeah, 40 is the earliest time. It's the smallest number, so it's the earliest time, which means Jordan is the winner. We can write Jordan here. Jordan.